Let there be peace and love. Welcome to Satsang. There is nothing wrong with I. You have not to search something beyond. The thing is that we make a step too much instead of just being as I, where it goes. We make it go to an individual, means a special body, mind. And that is the first dress which looks like ignoring your real nature, the real nature of I, which isn't born by nature. And whatever is born out of it is an expression, a manifestation, a creation which will know death. And that I am not. I will see that I am that also when I realize first my true nature. So meanwhile there is no other way just to keep quiet as I alone, or to negate whatever you hook at. Meaning, it's not it. I am not this, I'm not that. And to have this idea that the life will be after that, after realization, a better expression, a better vehicle to show up the reality is really a fantasy, a concept of the mind. As if the self was not enough complete even before we realize it in itself. There are no two. So all those ideas of vehicle channeling and entities and medium, they just are part of the ignorant search. So don't be worried about the life, how I will live afterwards and all that, or what should I do to be the witness of that reality. All that are fantasies, concepts. So you just keep quiet as yourself. So. So is there anything missing or anything where you base yourself which gives you a trouble regarding what you really are? What you really are, you are it. Even if your mind doesn't surrender to that. Meanwhile, you will surrender to some concepts or experience. But that gives trouble, that gives suffering, wrong ideas. So is there anything like that floating or fixed somewhere? Yeah.
I really don't know what I want to tell you because I just feel that I really don't know, but I'm just very much touched. I don't know what to. It's not about emotions because I really try to take what you say and
Mm-hmm. But you are touched by what I say, or you are touched by something?
Something is stirred up and I don't know
Okay.
to what exactly.
But you have not to see exactly what. You are just not that. You are not that person with a stirring something.
I don't need to see what it is.
No. It's you see it. I feel stirred up. So it actually, if you are precise, it's better in this way. What is stirred up? Something in the emotions or in the mind or in the body? Or all together when it is the paroxysm of it. So you describe somebody, isn't it? Are you that? Tell me now. Are you what you describe? Not as you think, as you hear in satsang. Are you what you describe? No. No. It's an appearance. But in satsang, we want to run for the real thing. So your real nature is not that. So what's left? Don't search for it. What's left? Here you abide here. It has no shape, no form. That's why it is untouchable. Where do you go back? Where do you go back?
To the search.
To the search, yeah. Why? Why? Yeah, so you have to hear more. You see, you have to be aware that when this happens, you are going back to the search. You are right. You go back to a habit, old beliefs. You have to search yourself. We started like this. Everybody started like this, you see. But at some point it is to hear, don't search. You are prior to search even. You are already that. But the mind will not reach there. The mind is a loop. It vanishes before reaching there.
Is it possible, Ganga, that when you speak seconds, I'm like, and I don't touch anything.
Yeah, great. But then no.
But what about the next moment after I see that I have this habit to jump?
But don't jump then. If you see you have this habit to jump, you don't jump. That's what is meant by this very essential sentence. Now keep quiet. Don't jump on the next. Don't jump. Just to undermine this power of the habit, mind's habit. Don't jump. What it will bring you? It will bring you the same problem, the same search, if you jump. If you don't jump, then the mind is at loss for a while. Yeah, he has nobody to direct it. So, you have to see that whatever is presented, it is called the mind. You can say body mind, but it's the mind. And that's why it is so essential to hear, I'm not the mind, I'm not the body, even if the mind cannot take that. But then it makes sense, you see. When you start to see, oh, I'm jumping. Yes, we pass our life in jumping. And we even want to jump to the beyond, you imagine. So that is the fantasy, the hallucination of the time, of the mind, which is time. in fact, we always are going into trips, so keep quiet. Keep quiet. Here only is the peace. Huh? So I mention often not a solid background. So why do I jump? You should say, I jump. No, it's the mind. That is a solid background, this automatism which comes. Hmm?
Tell you something.
Yeah,
I
sure.
want to tell you because, like, more and more I see when you say the mind, the appearance, like, from where I am, everything sprouts. Like all the appearances, for me, it's the emotion. So I feel all the sensation, everything is the mind. Everything I will lose. Everything, everything is in the perishable movement. So I many times I feel like I'm repeating, I'm reminding myself this, but the keeping quiet I miss somehow.
Yeah.
This is like somehow I don't know. It's like I'm obsessed with describing what it is not, and then I forget to just
keep quiet.
just,
Okay, you describe well, in a way.
This is this is where I'm.
My problem.
this is what I.
Who has a problem? He's in the mind too.
The mind.
Keep quiet means don't even bring I here. I mean, the general I started with I, so it's maybe confusing, but don't bring the I as the individual I here. To keep quiet is that. Where are you now? Tell, it's very important. What are you contemplating?
I want to see where, like, when you speak.
Where I am?
Yeah.
No, you have not to see where you are. Because otherwise you will see again where your individual person rests. And that is the problem. To be fascinated by the individual that we think we are, or we feel we are. You have to lose interest about this individual, because it's not the individual which will be freed. It's when there is no less interest, then somehow it disappears, reality. Even though it may still appear, but the reality of it is gone. There is no substance in it, if I can describe. Otherwise you will make a long journey of progress, you see, which is, of course, it happens in the journey. But at some point, like now, it becomes an hindrance. Because there will be no end of progressing in that way, which is not a real progress at all.
I became too much somehow attached to the seeking, like to the finding and the discovery and all.
Yeah, sure.
Somehow
It is very. It's
like,
for an individual. It's very attractive. Because it gives such a much more dimensions in its poor life, you know. It is materialistic life. It gives more dimensions, more vastitude and new experiences, insights of things. But actually, this is an infinite discovery of somebody. It will not help you for this. To realize what you always have been. Because what you always have been, it's at the same time, we can say, fullness and emptiness. And as an individual, you will always see some aspect of it. There will be no end of it, you see. And it will never be it. Because they are temporary insights. So it's time to not to be hypnotized. You have not to go anywhere to be yourself. So it's not in the center. I always read in books the center. It's not in the center. It's not on left and right that we usually we agree quite easily. It's not above nor down. Okay, nor in front nor behind, nor in the center. Nor in the center. So, it's everywhere and it's nowhere. So that we cannot, it's not a place because it has to go together. It's not one or the two. It's undescribable. But that's what you are. Just now, when you don't activate your mind. When you don't activate your mind, you can realize it. Because it's always there, you realize or not. But there is a split second of not activating the mind to allow the realization. Because you see, even when the individual gives a moment, it looks to the individual of not touching the mind, he bound himself so much to program, to a vision of life, to a next. So he bound himself so much into time that he makes it a glimpse or an experience instead of not going back to those unreal banks or agendas. You see? So when I say don't touch the mind presently now, don't touch the mind, that's why it's so important to say, and when there is a next rising, stay there, don't touch it, don't touch it. And that will show up how unreal is all this appearance. Otherwise, again you jump on it. Because you have not seen. You see the difference between not touching and touching in qualities, but you have not seen that one is real and the other is unreal. And that's the whole difference. You can have, I say again, you can have the experience of not touching the mind. It can bring you silence or whatever, the absolute or whatever. But it's still an experience, a quality. And so the next will be another quality. But you have not gone out of qualities. That's why it's always in and out as is expressed. Actually, once you realize there is no in and out, because it's not that you are in reality and out in unreality, it doesn't mean anything. There is no two, so. I don't know. I hope I'm clear. Si vous voulez poser des questions, vous pouvez.
Oui.
What did you...
Yesterday the story was the personal story that even that you had in time it was long or it was and physically the master wasn't there, you still take this handshake with.
Yes. Because you see, the fire doesn't come from the master. You come to the master because you have fire. You want to live what you read in the books about all those students and masters, all this Buddha feel, Buddhahood, or self. You want to live that. And you know it's possible because students come to a master of any kind. And they make it. They can make it. Yeah. The master appears because of that urge. It's not the contrary. Shamla. How are you? How are you today?
Today. Quiet. There's a lot of quietness today. is an it's an expectation. What I feel that something will happen, like an explosion. Or
So be quieter than that. Be quieter than that.
be quiet in that.
Be quieter than that.
Quiet.
Means more quiet.
Okay.
Because if you hook at this passing thought, good luck. We've been searching because of that. You see that now? We have been searching because of that passing thought.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, that I see.
So keep quiet. Don't catch it. No thought will do. No solution to the thought will do. It's not through thought that one realizes.
Yeah, it's that clinging or that grasping.
Keep quieter.
Yeah.
Keep quieter. It's out of you. Don't bring in. It's passing. Don't keep it.
Yes.
Okay. Whatever you get, it's not it. What is it is when you realize that you always have been yourself. You never get it. Holding this manifestation, all those thoughts and feelings and sensations, senses and all that, all comes from where you are. All appears there and disappears. All comes because you are real. What's yourself is what's real. So this, when one utters I, it's the first expression you hear. So it's the first expression I. It's ageless. The thing is that I left alone, the only creature, suddenly it multiplies, and with the body mind. So and then we confuse a creation with another creation and so on. Otherwise, it would not be there. There was no self, no reality that you are. So you have to hear that. So to hear that makes one clearer, emptier in the mind. Till he understands what's about, and then it just doesn't pick up a thing anymore as real.
Une question à poser. Comment je puis savoir si mon esprit est bon ou mauvais?
Si mon esprit est quoi?
Bon ou mauvais.
Bon ou mauvais?
Voilà.
Tu traduis? Oui.
J'essaye de m'efforcer d'être bien
Oui.
dans mon environnement.
Mais ça doit être traduit. You can translate or? Si?
Oui.
How to know if my spirit is good or bad, and is trying to be good.
Oui, donc oui, j'essaye je vis à l'instant, donc j'avance dans la vie à l'instant.
Mm.
Mais j'ai toujours peur de mon esprit fasse du mal sans que je puisse le contrôler.
Oui, d'accord. Mm. So he's trying to live the instant, but there is always that fear that the mind would do some wrong. More or less like that. Huh? Mais c'est... who will translate me?
Okay.
Yeah? Ok, merci. Donc je parle en français. C'est bien pour ça, c'est cela même qu'on dénonce en satsang. C'est que l'esprit dont tu parles, je l'appelle le mental. Hein, tout ce qui... Sorry.
I call the spirit the mind, and this is what we go against in satsang.
Parce que c'est justement le mental qui fait souffrir.
Because it's the mind that hurts.
Le mental est duel. Il y a le bien, le mal,
Mind is
le
always
beau,
good,
le vilain.
beautiful.
Il est duel, le mental. Donc c'est tout à fait normal que quand on va bien ou quand on fait le bien, il y ait cette peur du mal, parce que c'est sûr qu'elle va venir.
This fear is natural because when you do something good, the opposite has to be true also.
On ne peut jamais être, comme humain, parfaitement bon.
You cannot be, as a human being, perfectly good.
Il y aura toujours des faiblesses.
There's always be some weaknesses.
C'est comme ça.
It's like
Mais ce qui est extraordinaire en satsang, c'est qu'on entend que, en réalité, on n'est pas que ce mental. On n'est pas celui qu'on croit être.
what is extraordinary is here in satsang, you hear that you're not the one you thought you were.
Donc, ce que fait le mental, c'est d'être agité toujours et d'avoir des préférences toujours. Et c'est ça qui fait souffrir. Et on ne peut pas fixer, on ne peut fixer rien du tout parce que tout est impermanent. Vous l'avez vu.
You've seen that everything is impermanent.
Donc, qui suis-je en réalité?
Who am I in reality?
Ça, c'est la question essentielle.
This is the
Plutôt
essential
que
question.
d'essayer de fixer un mental ou un corps ou des émotions qui de toute façon changent,
Rather than remaining fixed in the body or in the mind, where everything is changing anyway.
il vaut vraiment mieux aller dans la direction de cette question. Qui suis-je en réalité?
It's better to go in the direction of this question, who am I really?
Et qu'est-ce qu'elle apporte quand on demande, quand on se demande, mais qui suis-je en réalité? Vers quoi va-t-on?
Where do you, in which direction are you taking when you're asking this question?
Il ne va pas vers une carotte.
Doesn't go towards the crowd.
Ou ça ne va pas vers une femme.
Or
Oh,
to a
oh.
woman.
Cette question ne vous amène ni une carotte ni une femme.
Oui, oui, oui.
Oui, oui, ben oui, ben oui.
Pourquoi j'étais un peu pas la réponse.
Donc, en fait, il n'y a pas de réponse qui puisse être donnée par le mental. Parce que là, je m'amuse, mais on peut donner des réponses très subtiles. Mais ce sera toujours des réponses temporaires et mentales, ou sensuelles, ou émotives.
In fact, the mind cannot give any, cannot do anything there.
Donc, la réponse à cette question, c'est de rester, ne fût-ce qu'un instant, c'est important, un instant, de rester là où elle vous a mené, en vous-même.
You have to remain just for one instant where this question took you inside of yourself.
Et d'aller visiter son soi-même de plus en plus.
And go and visit oneself more and more.
Parce que là est la paix.
Because there is the peace.
Et tout ce qui apparaît à partir de là, apparaît grâce à ce qui est là, d'indescriptible.
Everything that appears from there
Which is indescribable.
is not
Et ce qui apparaît de nature non réelle. Et ce que vous êtes vraiment, c'est là où vous êtes quand vous ne touchez pas aux questions ou aux réponses mentales.
who you are really is where you don't touch any of these mind questions.
Un answer. Alors, là où vous êtes maintenant, y a-t-il question?
Where you are now, do you have a question?
Là où je suis là,
Oui,
bon,
non.
non, parce que j'ai envie d'y être.
Oui, bien sûr,
Because I want to be there.
bien sûr. Et pourquoi on a envie d'être là? Parce que, intuitivement, ou de façon réelle, on comprend que c'est là qu'on est en paix.
Why is this? Because one understands or one has the intuition that this is where the peace lies.
Et c'est ça qui est réel, ce n'est pas sujet au changement.
This is not subject to change. This is real.
Ce qui est sujet au changement, ce n'est que le monde des apparences,
It is subject to change, is only the words that appear.
des expressions de moi-même, mais pas
Expressions
vraiment
of
mon,
myself,
qui je suis vraiment.
but not
Donc ne vous efforcez pas d'être bon.
don't try to be good.
Je chercherai plutôt là où cette question qui suis-je me laisse.
I would
J'aurais
rather
plutôt là.
remain where this question, who am I, lives in,
Et faites confiance pour le reste.
and trust the rest.
Où l'esprit me guide. Quoi, l'esprit? Les intuitions me guident.
Towards where the intuition is guiding.
Si j'ai bien compris, il faut que je suive mes intuitions.
If I understand right, I have to follow my intuitions.
Non.
Pas de
The intuition. Non, les intuitions mènent toujours à quelque chose, à un concept qu'on a ou à une expérience.
One experience.
Il faut être libéré de se limiter à une expérience ou une intuition.
You have to get free from
Donc,
trusting
qui a l'intuition?
who has an intuition
Et qui est ce qui suis-je? Qui suis-je?
and who am I.
Yeah.
For about say one week or so, and I had it before. When I, let's say, to describe, to try to be silent, I get somewhere. I can only compare it. If I describe it, is just before you wake up, that kind of thing. But I have no control there, because I know it is not it.
Mm.
But afterwards I know, hey, that's not it.
Mm.
But I'm there quite often, also in satsang. Also, I am not that. All the time, you can 5 minutes stay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour. All the time, it comes back.
Mm. Yeah, you see, the self expresses itself all the time. So if it is true silence or something else, who cares in fact?
It's not a state.
You are not dead.
No, that's the thing, because
Yeah.
I'm in a way, in a
Yeah.
state, I'm landing somewhere.
Yeah, but you cannot expect to be the self without expressions.
Mhm.
That's why I speak of a split second to wake up to
Mhm.
that. You cannot have a self alone without expression as long as you have this body-mind.
Mhm.
So no expression is it and all expressions are it. So doesn't matter if you spend even 10 days in silence, half an hour in silence, 1 minute in silence, it's still an expression of yourself. I'm not that, and you keep quiet. There is this idea in spirituality, now it's an occasion for me to say, that one day will be this self, only the self, but with this image that the self means no shape, no form, only silence, only bliss, only in the way one thinks, in the way one conceptualizes it. It will never happen, because the self, with this body, the self expresses itself. There is not a self then we would describe the self is only when it doesn't express itself, which is wrong. the thing is that it's no more two. Now it's two. And being no more two makes the whole difference.
I have a question.
Yeah, please. Hi.
If I say anything is not me,
Mm.
but I have something what is me, it also makes a difference for me. It's also true.
Yeah.
Something what is not me and something what is me.
Yeah, but why you say that? You have to negate everything. Why should you keep something as you? I cannot keep something.
Mm-hmm. So like anything is not important, like anything is not me, or something like this. Or
Yeah.
I am like nothing.
That's also a description.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not it too. But then, when you say I'm nothing, and I tell you, this also is not it. Where are you? Where are you left?
Nowhere.
Yeah, great. Great. You cannot remove that.
Mm-hmm.
Can you?
So yeah, just translate.
Yeah, I understand. He's lost. So you said, I am nowhere. I say, that also you remove. And where you are left, you keep quiet. Because that you can't remove. And if you can remove, it is still something. So you have to keep quiet where you are left.
I can't do this.
Why? You're not obliged. I do that for those who want.
What is obliged?
You are. I don't force you.
But I would like. Yes, I can.
Ah, you would like? Then I tell you. Yes.
Ganga,
Yeah.
yesterday I heard something that touched deeply. I was never born.
Mm.
And then somewhere in the afternoon I picked it up and I started contemplating
Mm.
about it.
Mm.
And now I feel I've lost something.
What can you lose when it's not born? Because you contemplated on yourself, unborn self, you lose everything. So that's great. You understood what I said? So, okay, because of that contemplation, you lost what was not it. You cannot lose what is unborn. You can lose images of it, experiences, feelings of it, which are born. You see how tricky the mind is. If you listen to the mind,
I'm fine.
it's okay.
I hear you say everything is a creation of the self. Is mind also the creation of the self?
But we call it mind when we are in it. So the same thing may not be said as mind. We say mind when we feel caught.
So everything is the creation of the self.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah.
Everything. Duality is also creation of the mind.
It's the mind. You can say duality equal mind, mind equal duality. It's the same. Means manifestation.
Yeah. And I also hear you say, I'm always the self.
Yeah. If I had not to say so to convince my friends, I would not say anything.
Yeah.
So it's also a creation of the self.
Right.
So where do you go with all that?
Right.
Oh, Davy! 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 It's also a creation of the Yeah, you finished?
Since the beginning of the satsang together, so much intensity, I feel like I want to explode. I don't want to mix it again.
But you miss it to look at that. You are missing it looking at that. I'm the self. All the rest is the creation.
And I want to give you this. Ever since I was in Israel, I want to give you really this attachment to this past and this family story.
But I'm trying to remove it, but you have to listen to me. Yes, of course, wonderful, wonderful.
I cannot bear it anymore. It's like it's too much.
It's too much for a human being to carry that much. That's why we suffer, that's why we search. But the search tells, don't search, because who you are is not all this movie.
It was not there for so long, and then I picked it again. It drives me crazy.
That's why one has to be vigilant up to the end of his life. Don't worry. So, just now, all what you describe is the creation of your own self. But to be at peace, you just remain as yourself. And let this creation, which is infinite anyway, going on, let it be, let it be. It presents itself with intensity, with no intensity, with peace, with no peace. I'm not that. I am the background of all that. Yeah, this samsara can be burning hell. Sure. But it's in the movie. Yes, exactly. You see, it goes on changing. Huh? Kill It's not your body, in fact, who met the master. The real meeting was with yourself. So, be there. Better? And so you, after having those questions, where are you left? You don't know. You know something, you tell.
It looks like in the answers I received from you that whatever I do, wherever I go, whatever is
it's bombed.
Yeah, it's everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I say, where have you left?
There.
So don't allow your mind to try to pick that, even that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just keep quiet where you are left.
You say don't allow your mind to catch it. And how? Is it not
Don't catch how? How you don't catch how? Tell me.
Do nothing, but isn't that also suppressing?
Suppressing. When it's not real, how can it be suppressing? Because you think it's real, I have to speak like this. But otherwise it's like wind. Can you catch? Can you release? There's nothing there. I don't use the language of psychology because psychology believes in this reality as real. So there is nothing like suppression here. For once one allows to say no, I don't go there. To free himself.